Hey, how's it going folks? E.T. here with another iMovie tutorial. In this one I'm going to talk about audio layering. And I was messing around with my buddy Andy's clip here. It's a clip of a train in Japan. And it did have a soundtrack with music on it. But I kind of wanted to take his music and the sound out and kind of layer in some different sound effects, basically, or sound from different trains, and to get the certain sound I was looking for. So the first sound here is just a train passing. And then the second sound is actually the sound of the Japanese crossing that goes. So I wanted to kind of make a hybrid sound. And I thought it'd be kind of a cool tutorial to show you exactly how I did it. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to play the entire video at the end of this tutorial just so you have an idea what I'm talking about. So you notice here I have multiple clips down here at the bottom. And this is just a copy paste. And to make it sound more natural, I actually had to add a couple keyframes in here and get the actual sounds of the dong, 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 even with the previous ones because they were a little bit higher. So I just did that to kind of make it sound more fluid and not so abrupt, so you couldn't tell that it was just copy, copy, copy. You know, it would have been up, down, up, down. So I decided to kind of even it out a little bit. And then at the beginning here, I added some keyframes to kind of try to mimic the sound of the train going by. So I went from low to high and then kind of back to normal. And then both of them I faded out. And the second clip here, the only difference is I actually threw in some animation here. And I used one of those new animation effects. But then I also, and let me show you that real quick. I went to the animation effects up here. I went to Comic Basic. And on top of that, I went and did some color correction. So you can see what I did here. I've just ran the saturation all the way up to the top, and then I actually increased the highlights and some other points here just to make it kind of look like a, you know, a futuristic animated kind of Tokyo train type thing. I wasn't sure what I was going for, but I kind of like the way it looks. And that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Mostly I wanted to just I was farting around with this multiple layers of audio trying to get the exact sound. And I was like, well, maybe people who are watching the iMovie tutorials would be interested in kind of layering audio to get a better sound out of your original sound. But I hope you like it. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial. Now stay tuned for these clips. It's only a 35-second video, but I'll show them in their entirety with the sound. Talk to you later. Peace and aloha.